Okay. Hey guy, what are you doing? What are you doing with that muffler?
Making it sound mean.
Hey, you didn't really need that anyways. All it does is make it quiet.